I'm the new 3 and I change. Why'd I have a song?
Hey everyone, it's Marissa, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup look all on this look right here. So this is going to be a no foundation makeup look, but if you look, it looks like I'm wearing foundation, you know? But yeah, I'm not wearing any foundation on right now. So yeah, this is what I normally wear to work, you know, when I just really don't feel like doing a full beat face, but I want to look full beat. You feel me? Feeling what I'm putting down? Also, if you guys are new here, hi, my name's Marissa. I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, music, all of it. Please hit the subscribe button. We post new videos every Monday and Thursday. But yeah, so let's just get started with the video. So I'm starting off with a clean face. Really, one thing I've learned with like priming and prepping your face, you need to let it like sit into your face, kind of like sink into your face, like set. So now I will like prep and prime my face and then go do my hair, brush my teeth. Sometimes I'll eat. Like I do that like very first when I wake up. Today I just did Mario Badescu rose water, my Mario Badescu herbal hydrating serum. This stuff is amazing. It literally feels like water, and especially if you're not wearing foundation, you want to like have some like hydrated skin. And then for primer, I've been using the Benefit POREfessional primer. I know this is like a super mini. So we're gonna start with eyebrows because that's what I do first, and I'm using this Collab eyebrow pencil. It's literally just like the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. I'm using a different camera lens. Hopefully you guys can tell. When I use the eyebrow pencil, I just like to kind of have a more natural look. I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. And I'm taking my concealer and I'm using this Milani Erase and Retouch concealer that you can see I'm like out of. Am I the only one that runs out of all their favorite makeup at the same time? Because like I feel like that literally always happens to me. So yeah, and I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows because like this one I feel like wouldn't even need cleaned up, but like this one is just tragically. So after I conceal my eyebrows, I just can take like the same brush and I just go under my eyes, and I try not to do like as much as I normally would. This is really what saves you, is the concealer. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I also have a scar right here that I try to cover up. But yeah, this is just gonna like highlight you, give you a little bit of coverage. But my under eye circles are like one thing, I just need them to go away. So then I take a Beauty Blender sponge and then I go back to my rose water and I spray it on the sponge. I watched this in a Jaclyn Hill tutorial and like it changed my life. Seriously, everything just looks so much better. Like, and I have really dry skin. I don't know if this would work as well if you have oily skin, but my skin is extremely dry. So when I do this, like it just like helps so much. But yeah, and then I just use it to blend it out and I continuously spray it. Like I just keep spraying it. And then I'll go around my eyebrows and try to blend this craziness out. I just like to set it with my Dermablend loose setting powder. It's amazing for baking, like nothing is going anywhere. The only thing I've noticed is, like I said, I have really dry skin. This is not great for dry skin, but like I love it so much I can't stop using it because nothing goes anywhere. While we're baking there, I'm gonna go, this is my Face Chocolate Chip palette, and I just take, I love the mirror on this. I just take this big, like, I love this color. I don't know. It's just like a neutrally light color. I love dusting this over my whole eye just to set it. And then, you know, you could do anything with your eye look. Like a wing, like you could do anything. For work, for me, I don't do anything really. But yeah, like you could incorporate any eye look into this. And then I take gel eyeliner, which I use the Maybelline Eye Studio one in black. Like I said, I'm just being basic and I'll wing nothing. I just want to do a like regular line, like thin line across my eye so that when I put some lashes on, we don't see the band as much. Okay, so then before I do lashes, I'm going to contour my face. This is something new I've been doing as well. So I've been taking the NARS Laguna, and then I take a smaller brush to do my nose contour. And then I go in some more baking powder, and I just kind of cut all my contour. Just like that, okay? I don't know how people talk and like do this. Like, literally I suck at talking and doing tutorials. Oh, look at my bun. Hello? So then I'm going to put on some lashes. Favorite lashes that I've been using recently, hello, shut up, are these Dodo lashes, and these are in the style D13. I love these for every day. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. Nuts. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on my eyes first, and then I'm going to put these lashes on, and I will have a video linked down below on how I apply lashes, because it's just gonna make this video really long if I try to put it in here as well. But I will be right back with my lashes on. So okay, so okay guys, so lashes are on. I just feel like this always does it for me. Like, this is what completes the look. You could obviously do this look without lashes. I do that a lot. So next we're going to take off this bake. So yeah, we just dust all that off, and then our contour is nice and strong and sharp. Then I go in and do some blush, and you guys know, literally for like the past year I've been using this butter blush by Physicians Formula in Plum Rose. Put that on the apples of my cheek and then kind of blend it into my contour. So next we do some highlight. This is where the magic happens. I feel like this is what really like covers up the fact that like, oh, you're not wearing foundation. And I'm using my Kylie Salted Caramel highlighter, which I've put a hell of a dent into. I just love the color of this one. It's just like a pure gold, and like it just very sun-kissed, you know. Do a little bit on my nose, and then I do just a little bit on like, I don't know, like right in between my eyebrows going onto the bridge of my nose, on my inner corners, since we didn't really do an eye look. And then a little bit on my cupid's bow. Literally put highlighter everywhere. And then we go in with a bigger brush. And then because I'm crazy, I will put some of my rose water spray over top just to set everything. And then also so I can do another layer of highlighter. But you could just spray this and call it a day. Okay, let me eat half of it. And I spray a good amount. You don't have to do that, but again, since I have dry skin. But yeah, so I put that on, and then I just, you know, layer up some more highlighter. Hey honey, where are you going? Oh. Now that we highlighted up, this is my Makeup Forever eyeliner pencil. It's like a mini one, but it's just in black. And I'm just putting this on my waterline, and then right under my waterline as well. And then I like to take eyeshadow, which I'll use the chocolate chip palette again, and I use this little maroon one, and just smoke it out. I don't go quite all the way in. I kind of keep it focused more on just like the outer corner, and then we'll just put some mascara over top. That's pretty much it. We'll add a lip color. Recently, because I've been feeling, you know, spicy or something, like I've been doing a really bold red lip. I think today I'm going to do something a little bit more toned down, something like this color I really like. I haven't worn this yet. This is ColourPop Catching Feels. And then I love the MAC Prep and Prime primer. Yeah, like, so you literally be looking full beat out here, but you don't have any foundation on, you know? Ooh, I really like this. I don't know how I have not worn this yet. Then, yeah, guys, so that is the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So we have no foundation on right now, but it definitely looks like we do. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos, it doesn't matter. You're gonna get them whether you want them or not. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment on what you want my next video to be on, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.
Watch out, watch out.